If you're trying to log into X, formerly Twitter, and the verification code is not coming through, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get the code into your inbox fast. This is a common issue, and it can usually be solved with just a few quick checks. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and social media guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go back and try refreshing your email. Sometimes the verification message does arrive, but it takes a little longer than expected to appear in your inbox. So open your email app or email website, pull down to refresh or click the refresh button a few times to make sure your latest messages are loaded. If you're on mobile, fully close the mail app and reopen it so it can resync properly. Next, check your spam or junk folder. Verification emails can sometimes be filtered automatically, especially if the message is sent quickly or the system thinks it looks unusual. Look through the spam, junk, promotions, or other filtered folders in your email account. If you find the message there, open it and mark it as not spam, so future codes are more likely to arrive in your inbox. Also, make sure you're checking the correct email address. If you have more than one account, it's easy to verify the wrong inbox by mistake. Confirm that the email linked to your X account is the one you are currently checking. Now let's move to the next fix, which is clearing your browser cache. If your browser has old stored data, it can sometimes interfere with the login page or prevent the verification process from updating correctly. On your browser, open the settings menu, go to privacy or history, and clear the cache and cookies. If possible, make sure you remove cache data for X as well, then close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. After clearing the cache, return to x.com, request a new verification code, and check your inbox again. In many cases, this fresh login attempt works much better after the browser data has been cleared. If the code still isn't showing up, wait a few minutes before requesting another one, because sending too many requests in a short time can sometimes delay the message even more. You can also try using a different browser or device just to make sure the issue isn't related to your current setup. So to quickly recap, refresh your mail, check your spam folders, and clear your browser cache. Those 3 steps solve the verification code issue for a lot of users. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.